Hello everyone. Today I will share about 10 Korean secrets to make your skin healthy and shiny at the age of 50. They look 30 years younger, and their skin radiates health and youth. Even their men use special makeup and know lots of hacks to always look impeccable. Brightside admires the beauty and ingenuity of Korean men and women and is delighted to share their secrets with you. 10. The 10-second rule to make your skin look clean, healthy, and fresh. Apply moisturizing cream 10 seconds after your shower. What happens? Skin pores open after a shower, so the cream is absorbed faster. 9. Hot towel massage. Soak a soft towel in hot water, cover your clean face with it, and gently rub along the massage lines. After 15 minutes, take the towel off. Apply natural nourishing oil to the skin. What happens? This procedure enhances blood circulation, opens the pores, and helps the skin breathe. 8. James 1 original way to quickly set your makeup and make your skin look matte and tender. Start by putting on your makeup and richly coating your face in powder, then submerge your face in a bowl of cold water for 15-30 seconds. What happens? The powder covers the face evenly, giving the skin a distinct velvety feel. 7. Shaving foam against acne. Apply the foam to your clean face, lightly massaging it with your fingertips. Keep it on for 5-10 minutes, and then wash it off. Perform the procedure once or twice a week. What happens? Korean women regard men's shaving foam as one of the best ways to fight periodical facial eruptions because it possesses antiseptic properties. 6. Seaweed for your face. An oil can be used as a nourishing mask for your face. All you need to do is take a few sheets, put them in warm water, and apply them to your face for 15 minutes. What happens? Seaweed has a lot of vitamins and other components with powerful antibacterial properties that take care of your skin and preserve its youth. 5. Salt facial tonic. The recipe for this tonic for problematic skin is simple. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt to 1 glass of warm water, and give it a good stir. After every washing, wipe your skin with a cotton pad moistened in the tonic. What happens? Sea salt disinfects the skin, gradually removes blackheads, and soothes inflamed areas. Your face looks fresh. The pores contract. The important thing is to avoid cuts. 4. Anti-pimple patch. A real hit among the fashion-conscious. Inconspicuous on the skin and under makeup, these tiny patches cleanse the face of any pimples in a couple of days. They are sold online. What happens? Due to its special antiseptic composition, the patch isolates and cures the pimple, soothing the inflammation in record time, overnight in most cases. 3. Soy milk. In Asia, soy milk is actively employed in cosmetic remedies, professional and homemade alike. One of the oldest and easiest recipes goes as follows. Dampen a gauze pad with soy milk, and leave it on your clean face for 15-20 minutes. Do this once or twice a week. What happens? Soy components normalize the functioning of sebaceous glands, rejuvenating and nourishing the skin. 2. Silkworm cocoons. Silkworm cocoons have been used for ages as a natural remedy to deeply cleanse the skin. Put them on your index fingers, and massage your clean skin for 10-15 minutes. They are available online. What happens? The cocoons remove dead cells, stimulate skin regeneration, even out the skin tone, help with blackheads, and make the pores contract. 1. Lemons. To make your skin lighter, cut a lemon in half, and squeeze the juice into a bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the undiluted lemon juice onto your skin. You can do this several times a day. What happens? The citric acid contained in lemons has exfoliating properties and removes dead skin, pigmentation spots, and excess oil and dirt. The vitamin C inhibits melanin production and improves skin elasticity. However, if you have sensitive skin, be very cautious with lemons. The last one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to receive more videos. Thank you.